So here's how to use own voice on Suno AI. First up, let's head over to the suno.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, you need to sign in to your account or click on sign up if you don't have one. So over here, we're now in the Suno AI dashboard. From this page, let's go over to the left panel and click on Create from the options. You will then be taken to the Suno Create page. On this section, you can click on Audio and then select Upload. You can also choose Record if you want. Keep in mind that since it's the free version, it has a 1-minute limit. So for now, let's cancel it and choose the upload option instead. Then choose an audio with your own voice from your device. After that, select your chosen part and click on Save. Then click on Continue. And as you can see, the clip is now being uploaded. Sometimes it may take a little while, so give it some time to load up. So once it's done being uploaded, you need to describe your song right here. Make sure to describe it in as much detail as possible. After that, you can choose the lyrics section and put in your own lyrics. And on the style section, put in your desired styles. Once you're done customizing all the parts, just click on Create. And then a song will be created using your own voice. And that is exactly how to use own voice on Suno AI.